So I had a whole bunch of rain here the past couple of days, and my backyard is like an Amazon rainforest back here. Look how green everything is. And I've been working in the garage, haven't been doing a lot of work back here in the backyard. But look at this. I mean, I'm gonna have to bend down and show you how tall. Look at that size of that freaking banana tree. Then you look over here. Look at these guys. This is the best time of the year. Solar panel over there. Let me show you something over here on this back fence. Look at all these tropicals back here. See the big palm or the banana tree right back there? Crazy. Look at that. And I don't know if you can see way back there. Those climbing things are going crazy in the corner there too. All the sweet potato vines are growing up. It's just freaking crazy back here. I need to do some work. I don't know what's going on right here, but I don't know. Let's see what's going on with that. Look at that. That's nice. We got the elephant ears over here. Doing pretty good. Everything's working fine. This thing's going to have to get trimmed to the silver maple. Look how high that thing is. Dang. Alright, there you have it. My Amazon rainforest back here. Dang.